Remove existing deadbolt, bolt and strike. Check you have a 54mm hole in your door. For added stability for your lock, install the optional crossbolt. Using the template provided, drill the additional 10mm hole from both sides of the door. The back set is currently set to 60mm. If required, turn the bolt case and pull to extend the back set to 70mm. Install bolt, ensuring the correct orientation. Secure with the screws provided. Test the bolt with a screwdriver. Ensure the bolt is left in the unlocked position. If you drilled a hole for the crossbolt, securely tighten the post to the external door furniture. Install the external door furniture flush to the door, ensuring the cable goes through the door under the bolt. Position the inside mounting plate to sit flush to the inside of the door. Ensure the cable and tailpiece go through the holes in the mounting plate. Secure the plate and external door furniture using the screws provided. Check the external door furniture sits square on the door. If you added the additional post to the door furniture, secure this post using the additional screw provided. Attach the cable connector to the connector on the internal door furniture and press firmly. Position the internal door furniture to the inside mounting plate, ensuring the thumb turn is vertical. Secure using the 4 screws provided. Test the lock using the key provided to ensure the bolt extends smoothly. Install the batteries. Keeping the door ajar, reset your lock by using a pointed object to press and hold the reset button, located below the batteries, for approximately 5 seconds. If the reset is successful, the latch bolt will extend on its own to learn the orientation of your door. Install the battery cover. Install reinforcement plate and strike into the door jamb using the screws provided. You're ready to go keyless.